Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Google Form survey. So let's get into it. To create a new Google form, go to forms.google.com. You will see a blank form that you can start customizing to your needs. It will always open with an untitled form at the top. Click on this and name your survey. You can also add a description of your survey here if you'd like. Now it's time to start adding questions to your survey. Google Forms makes it easy to add different types of questions, including multiple choice, short answers, or linear scales. You can also add images or videos to your questions from the right-hand side panel. One reason why so many people choose to create Google Form surveys is that you can customize the look and feel of your survey to match your brand. You can also change the color scheme, font, and background of your survey to match your brand. Before you send out your survey to respondents, it's always a good idea to preview it first. This way, you can make sure that everything looks the way you want it to and that all the questions are worded correctly. To preview your survey, click on the Preview button in the top right-hand corner. Now that your survey is ready, it's time to send it out to the respondents. To do this, click on the Send button in the top right-hand corner. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.